Let's reach for the sky. Let's win over the world. Let's change the story. Welcome to the online launch of 11th edition of Women Shine. Thank you so much for joining us. And आज हमारा we are launching this 11th edition. In fact, ये जो हमारा 11th edition है, this is focusing on women who have done amazing work in their own fields. इसमें हमने since it was March was 6th 8th March was a Women's Day, so उस पे हमने काफ़ी women की stories डाली हैं जो कि अलग-अलग field में अपना काम कर रहे हैं. They may be an entrepreneur, they can be a social entrepreneur as well, a corporate person. हर field से हमने इसमें women को लिया है. And I'm sure I would like to tell you that this is like a Bible of inspiration. कभी भी आप लो फील करें, आपको लगता है कि कैसे कुछ लाइफ में नहीं रह गया, प्लीज मार्च एडिशन उठाइए एंड यू विल बी इंस्पायर्ड बाय द इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरीज ऑफ दीज विमेन. और इनफैक्ट हम ये भी बताना चाहेंगे जिनको पता नहीं विमेन शाइन क्या है. विमेन शाइन इज अ ग्लोबल मैगजीन, डिजिटल मैगजीन फॉर विमेन एंड लाइफस्टाइल. And thank you so much for supporting us throughout the journey. It's been 11. This is an 11th edition now. So hamari every month we are improving. We are getting new articles. We are getting new, new traction also. People are liking. We are getting more people joining it as well. So hamara karwa dheere dheere बढ़ रहा है. And of course, I would like you to please let us know if you want any suggestions, so that I would like to have suggestions from you so that we can make this magazine a better product. You know, Women Shine. It is a beautiful package. It's a bundle of things. You can find inspiring stories. You can find informative articles and interesting things as well. So it is not just inspiration, but there's much more beyond that. So now let me take you run through to the website and the edition. So here it is. You go to the website, which is womenshine.in. This is the home page जिसको हमने जनवरी में we have changed the home page, so now it's looking more attractive, right? So इसमें सारे editions हमारी website पे हैं जिसमें you can let me just put it like this. Yeah, so all the editions are here right now because हमारे 11 editions निकले हैं. आप किसी भी उस पे जाके edition पे जाके you can read the articles. और अगर आप if you move down further, this is the magazine of this edition March, जिसमें you can download the edition and read it later on. इसके बाद top stories है हमारी, उसको भी आप अलग अलग उससे पढ़ सकते हैं. Then the more stories and the videos जो भी हम live करते हैं, everything is here on the website. कभी भी try to visit various pages, you'll find so many things in the website. So अगर हम चले let's run through the magazine. So I'll click here and now magazine will open all the pages. जिस तरह से हम पेजेस को फ्लिप करके मैगजीन पढ़ते हैं, उसी तरह से यू कैन फ्लिप हियर ऑनलाइन एज वेल and can read all the articles. So this is the cover page. This is Shri Gauri Sawant and Neha Bagaria. These are the two important faces this time who have done extremely well in their own fields. Now let me take to other pages. This is the content. Yeah, this is Shri Gauri Sawant. She's India's first transgender mother. In fact, हमने Facebook live किया था, which we got tremendous response. काफी लोगों ने join किया, and उसके बाद we got various comments. People really loved her work, loved the way she's doing it. तो हमने, there are few adjectives to Gauri Sawant, like she's strong-headed, fearless. At the same time, she is kind-hearted too. She was born in a conservative family in Pune. Had a painful and traumatic childhood. So I've just picked up few lines from the article itself. उसमें उन्होंने बोला है कि a parent's support is the most pivotal factor in shaping the lives of their children. One of the biggest reasons behind the aggression of a transgender community is the lack of acceptance by our own parents. I think she is 1000% correct on this. जिस दिन हमारे parents आपको एक्सेप्ट करने लगेंगे जिस तरह के भी आप हैं, आई थिंक चेंज वहीं से स्टार्ट होगा. देयर इज नो पॉइंट डूइंग धरना, ट्वीट्स, एवरीथिंग सब बेकार है अनलेस अंटिल यू डू दिस चेंज. ये आपके घर से चेंज स्टार्ट होगा, तभी यू कैन एक्चुअली क्रिएट अ मार्क इन द सोसाइटी. देन यू कैन एक्चुअली ब्रिंग द रेवोल्यूशन. अदरवाइज सब बातें हैं खाली जो कही जाती हैं. इन्होंने एक और बहुत अच्छी बात बोली है, वो भी मैं बिल्कुल बोलना चाहूँगी. इन्होंने ये भी बोला है कि इंडियन पेरेंट्स कैन एक्सेप्ट देयर किड्स एज रेपिस्ट, मर्डरर्स, क्रिमिनल्स, बट नॉट एज ट्रांसजेंडर. बहुत बड़ी बात कही है इन्होंने. सो आई एम श्योर जिन्होंने आपने अगर वीडियो वो लाइव देखा भी हो तब भी इस आर्टिकल को पढ़िए, और नहीं देखा तो भी पढ़िए. यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम अ जर्नी and the work she's doing right now. You know, she's helping the children of sex workers. उनके लिए community form करी है उन्होंने, जिससे they can lead a respectable life in the society. Second person on our cover story is Neha Bagaria. She's founder CEO of Jobs for Her. It is an online platform to enable women to start their careers. She started this in 2015. It started as a small venture, and with start small venture with 6 women only. Today, she runs a 60 plus member team with more than 7,500 companies on board and 2 million plus women who are registered on the platform. This is really huge. And also मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी, we have collaborated with Jobs for Her, so that from April onwards in our editions you will find few vacancies जो कि part time jobs होंगी, work from home होगा, and जो भी वो event they are doing for women, we'll be featuring them so that you get an opportunity to, if you are looking for a part time job or a work from home opportunity, you can browse through those opportunities as well. Then we have, under what's trending, we have this article from UN Women. They announced the theme, जो कि Women's Day की theme थी, which was women in leadership. So जो Nastrel Mumbai का है, they have there are few people, they have given few stories of these women entrepreneurs from Nastrel Mumbai. Now, this is very interesting article. This is there are some best advices from successful women entrepreneurs. This is for the people who want to do something in life, who really looking forward that they should also have a business. They should also start a new startup. So these things are very important to them. Like network, network, network. Now, why 3 times? Because this is something utmost important thing. If you are venturing into an entrepreneurship, this is the most important thing. Then, of course, prioritize your time, focus on what you are doing. Then, of course, you need to be a risk taker. And at the same time, you should know your audience too. Do read about this. I'm sure अगर आपको लगता है कि आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं, इसको पढ़ेंगे, आप ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ इसमें से चीज़ें, एडवाइसेस अपने सिस्टम में लाएंगे इसको. Then we have Women Shine Achievers. On 6th of March, because of Women's Day, we did one walkathon, जिसमें हमने Women Shine Achievers को कुछ felicitate किया था, जो कि बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं अपनी अपनी fields में. So उसमें first हम जिनको अपने लिखा है इसमें, she is Veena Anand. She is co-founder and executive director Divis. दीदीज एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, सोशल एंटरप्राइज है, जो कि 13 इयर्स ओल्ड है, जो कि रिकग्नाइज हुआ है यूनाइटेड नेशंस, गोल्डमैन सैक्स और मेनी मोर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है. इन्होंने शी इज गिविंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू वुमेन एंड बीन इन मैनेजिंग केटरिंग एंड बुटीक वर्क एट अ वेरी लार्ज स्केल. Then we have Suman Rawat, a national para badminton sports person. आपको बचपन में ही पोलियो हो गया था, बट कहते हैं कि अगर कुछ करने की इच्छा है, कुछ करने का जज्बा है, तो सब कुछ बेकार है. अगर आपका फोकस है अपने गोल पे, तो आप ज़रूर उसको अचीव कर सकते हैं. और यही इन्होंने कर दिखाया है सुमन जी ने. इन्होंने शी इज़ नाउ बैडमिंटन प्लेयर, शी हैज़ गॉट सो मेनी अवार्ड्स नेशनल लेवल पे, और अभी भी एक चीज़ नहीं होते हुए भी इतना अच्छा काम कर रही हैं कि वो लगता है कि उनको लगता ही नहीं कि उनके ये प्रॉब्लम है उनके साथ. And then we have Pallavi Pavli Shukla. She's a lawyer, author, and an activist. She's a young Supreme Court lawyer who strives to give orphans a chance at education and a career. She has co-authored a book titled Weakest on Earth, Orphans of India. And in 2018, she filed a public interest litigation seeking reservations for orphan children. So if you want to read more about Polanyi, visit our February edition. She's on the cover page. We have explained her tremendous work that she's doing in orphanages. Then we have Suman Rawa. She's the founder president of Power Wings Foundation. She's in social work for the last 22 years. कुछ भी कोई भी घटना उस शहर में होती है, चाहे वो रोड एक्सीडेंट हो, या ब्लड डोनेशन के कैंप्स लगाने हो स्लम्स में, या मेडिकल कैंप्स लगाने हो, हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन पे काम करना हो, या सेल्फ डिफेंस ट्रेनिंग पे काम करना हो, शी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर. इनफैक्ट जो मिशन शक्ति है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ यूपी का प्रोग्राम, उसमें दे हैव कंडक्टेड मेनी सेल्फ डिफेंस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स इन स्कूल्स. और साथ ही में शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ कोविड वॉरियर. शी इज़ हेल्प्ड सो मेनी माइग्रेंट फैमिलीज with food and other basic amenities. Then we have Tulika Rani. Tulika Rani is an ex-Indian Air Force officer, mountaineer, writer, motivational speaker, and a research scholar. Then we have Shilpi Chaudhary. She's the founder president of Astra Foundation, an animal lover. She has worked in jails. In fact, आपने जेल में काफ़ी vocational training programs कराए हैं, stress management programs, mushroom production, stitching. यहाँ तक कि जो जेल के women हैं, उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के बच्चों के लिए स्वेटर्स भी बनाए हैं. और आप इनफैक्ट एक और अच्छी चीज़ आपने बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट करी है, जो कि आपने 25 प्रिजनर्स को उनको फ्री कराया जेल से, जो भी उनका कॉम्पनसेशन था वहाँ दे के उनको फ्री कराया आपने. और इसी के साथ साथ जब 2015 में नेपाल में अर्थक्वेक आया था, तो आपने थाउजेंड्स की संख्या में आपने सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स वहाँ पहुँचाए थे. और बीइंग एन एनिमल लवर, आप काफ़ी स्ट्रे डॉग्स पे भी हेल्प कर रही हैं. यू आर वर्किंग ऑन दोज एनिमल्स अ लॉट. यू हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद वेरियस NGOs जो कि एनिमल्स पे काम करते भी हैं. And then we have Dr. Tulika Chandra. She's professor and HOD of Transfusion Medicine, KGMU. She has worked for 25 years in blood banking, also published national and international papers, plus authored books. So these were the women जिनको हमने felicitate किया था. Then under Shine Global, we have Dr. Vidhu Sharma. She's from Australia. She's a proud recipient of the Community Citizen of the Year Award in 2020 on Australia Day and Business Migrant of the Year Award. She has a huge list of awards when you can see her article. She is also a qualified Ayurvedic doctor. So do read about Dr. Vidhu Sharma. She's always on a call. If you want any kind of help, suggestion, you can just speak to her. Then we have Dr. Sunita Gandhi under She Leads. Dr. Sunita Gandhi she's called as an Edu monk from Lucknow. Dr. Gandhi is a founder of Council for Global Education USA, Global Education and Training Institute India, Devi Sansthan India, and Education Society of Ireland. This Edu monk is relentlessly moving ahead towards new education for a new India. Over 500 schools in India and overseas have adopted her curriculum and assessments. Target Plus Education, a company founded by Dr. Gandhi in 2016, focuses on reducing stress and improving results of students taking high-stakes examinations. Then we have under She Leads India's first female detective as Ms. Rajini Pandit. हमने आपका एक लाइव शो किया था फेसबुक पे, आपने ज़रूर देखा होगा, काफ़ी उसको लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया. ये इन्होंने करीब 80,000 से ज़्यादा केसेस सॉल्व किए हैं. और जैसे हम लोग मूवीज़ में देखते हैं, अलग अलग वेश धर के आपने काफ़ी केसेस सॉल्व किए, काफ़ी अपने ऊपर काफ़ी रिस्क भी लिया लाइफ का, बट क्योंकि आपका ये पैशन था इस चीज़ का, तो उसमें आप चलते जा रहे हो. Then under Shining Star, we have Kakoli Biswas. Kakoli Biswas, she's a philanthropist, humanitarian, social worker, and founder of Juhu Philanthropic Association. She has an inspiring story and is the epitome of strength, love, sacrifice, courage, and determination. Do read about her in detail. You'll be impressed by the work she's doing. Then we have Dr. Anupma Soni, a beauty with brains. She's a brand ambassador with Rajasthan government for Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign. Then Mrs. Asia International 2018. She's a mother of two and also one Mrs. Rajasthan. She's a gold medalist, endodontist, and facial esthetician by profession. Then we have MIC Women Entrepreneurs. So MIC is basically, it is a Ministry of Education, Government of India, has established an innovation cell. This cell will focus on creating complete ecosystem which will foster the culture of innovation across all educational institutions, from idea generation to pre-incubation and graduating from incubator as successful startups. So we have featured, since I was involved with them as a mentor, so they have shared various stories with me. So we have featured this time Vandana Thakur, Pooja Todke, and Neelam Bhaire. So they have, it's all about their stories, about their startups here. Then we have Meera Singh. She's a corporate professional. She's a deputy general manager in Navratna Oil and Gas PSU, namely Bharat Petroleum Corporation, for over 30 years. And she's a firm believer of the mantra, narrative matters. She has won several accolades and awards for the amazing work she has done for her organization in this 30 years of long journey. Then we have Ishani Sharma. Ishani Sharma is the managing partner of Ishani Sharma Law Offices. This is a name to reckon with legal circles of the country. Then we have Women Who Win. It is a social enterprise which aims at connecting, nurturing, and empowering women startup and entrepreneurs. The founder of Women Who Win, which is called WWW, is Simi Bhasin. She started this community, this social enterprise, with 24 women member in 2014 on Women's Day, and today WWW has 20,000 plus women entrepreneurs and home entrepreneurs from India and abroad. Simi says women don't need reasons for why they can't. They just need guidance for how they can. You are absolutely correct, Simi. That's why you are doing such an amazing work. You have WWW has 5 chapters, span it's India and abroad, global as well. So it's the 5 chapters are in Mumbai, Pune, Delhi NCR, Gujarat, and Singapore. All the best, Simi, for your lovely work which you're doing and lovely cause also. Then under travel tales, we have this time we are featuring a series of travel tales. So this time it's Jharkhand, a new experience, Damn Marvels, Part One. So here this time we are talking about Damodar Valley project. So for everyone, if you have a travel story, if you've undergone some travel adventure, do send us your journey, and along with pictures, we'll definitely publish in our editions. This is written by Prabha Raghunandan. Then we have under health, healthier options, which is written by Tanya Sahani. So on a hot summer day, nothing beats a refreshing glass of your favorite fizzy drink. So let's not indulge in soda drinks and sort out healthier options. So please go through all the options which she has mentioned. I'm sure you will pick up one of those. There are on four options. So you need to pick up any either four or any of the options. Then under taste buds, we have 2 recipes this time: pineapple panna and cheese corn nuggets sent to us by Neha Srivastav Jory. So they are perfect for the summer. And also, if you have you want to share any recipe with us, send us your recipe along with the photograph. We will definitely publish in our editions. So under a celebrity segment, we have Shireen Mirza. You must have seen her in Ye Hai Mohabbatein. She has also won many beauty pageants. She marked her entry in the industry in 2010 with the show MTV Girls Night Out and went on to act films and TV shows. Then under Bollywood Shine, we have a few celebrities talk about the role models on Women's Day. So they have their statements over here, like Dalnaz Irani, Chani Soni, Nivedita Basu, then Somi Ali. And these are the Bollywood Shine press releases which we've received. And then this is a very interesting segment, hashtag whispering thoughts. Here you can write any kind of thing which you want to, something from your heart. If you want to write something, we will publish it here. So we have lovely 2 articles, Whiff of Change, written by Sonakshi Srivastava, and Happiness Quotient by Chetali Vashne. So I'll take few lines from Whiff of Change. It says like this: a woman is an essential as the tea. She flavors the life of her household just as the tea flavors the milk. Too much and too less are harmful to the health of her survival. I think you're very correct. So one must read this Whiff of Change. Then comes Happiness Quotient, which is written by Chetali Vashne. Again, few lines from her article. I'm 31 years old, young, beautiful lady who did MBA from reputed institution and working in France-based MNC with earning huge sum of money. I have a house, I have a caring partner. Honestly speaking, I have all one could really vouch for, and I'm completely happy. But today I'm asking one question: am I happy? My soul asks this question to me. You seriously think that you are happy? And I know my answer, which is no. I think something very beautiful. So that's all in the 11th edition of Women Shine. Now, Yeah, so it was all in the 11th edition. I'm sure इस बार काफ़ी inspiring stories हैं हमारे पास. You will definitely get inspired after reading all these stories. So, ladies and gentlemen, do subscribe, show your love, and subscribe for free Women Shine. You just need to go to the website www.womenshine.in, and that's it. Just put your name and email ID and you'll subscribe the magazine. Also for coming, like I would say, thanks to everyone for watching this, and of course showing your love so that we are moving ahead month by month on a great, on a good speed. So, and thank you for reading our stories and sending us messages. When you say that this is edition is really good, the magazine cover is really good, very very good, the cover design is really good, कौन डिजाइन करता है आपकी मैगजीन, so you feel so good about it that at least this is a product which is liked by everyone. So I again look for your suggestions. Do write to us. आपको लगता है कि इसमें ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, so please do let us know. We will try to incorporate in that. And thank you so much for watching. See you next month again for April launch, and have a great evening. Thank you so much.